What's the meaning of bilge water? Bilge water. Bilge water.
Bilge water. Bilge water. Bilge water refers to the stagnant water that collects in the lowest part of a ship's hull, known as the bilge. This water can contain various pollutants, such as fuel, oil, and waste materials, which can be harmful to the environment and marine life if discharged improperly. Bilge water is typically extracted from the bilge using pumps and then treated or disposed of according to environmental regulations. The term bilge water is also used metaphorically to describe ideas, speech, or writing that is considered foolish or nonsensical. In this sense, it implies that the content is worthless and should be discarded.